What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, while the average person is out there chasing hyped up coins or waiting for a bull run, the smart market makers are quietly milking the P2P spread right now. Okay, so guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can be part of the smart market makers who are currently milking this opportunity for themselves on a daily basis and thereby making tons of money each and every single day for themselves. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be making use of the Bitget P2P platform, showing you exactly how you can make as high as 13,000 naira on a daily basis with a capital of just 200,000 naira and thereby summing it up to 364,000 naira monthly as your profit. Okay, so guys, make sure you stick with me on through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you on this video. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you would always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. All right, guys, so here we are on my Bitget account dashboard right now. So guys, before you can start trading right here on Bitget as a P2P merchant, you first of all need to have signed up successfully, and also you need to complete your KYC after signing up, guys. All right, so guys, signing up right here on Bitget is quite easy. I'm going to be leaving the sign up link to Bitget down below this video description, and also it's going to be on the pinned comment down below the comment section. All right, so guys, you just simply hit on the link and then you sign up. So when you're actually done signing up, guys, the next step would be completing your KYC. Okay, so how do you actually do that? So guys, it's quite easy. All you just simply need to do is up here at the top left corner of my screen that shows this human icon right here. You can just simply hit on it, guys. All right, so as you can see, it says I'm fully verified. All right, but for your case, guys, it's going to be telling you to verify. So you just simply hit on the verify button and boom, guys, you just simply verify. Okay, the requirements are quite easy. You can actually use your national identity card, your international passport, whatsoever document issued to you by the government in your country can actually be used for verification right here on Bitget. Okay, so when you're actually done verifying, that means you can start completing trades right here on Bitget. Okay, so that is basically how you can start trading right here. Okay, so guys, that is it. So I'm going to go back right now, guys. Here we are, guys. So how do you start trading on the P2P market? So guys, it's quite easy. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the P2P section right now. So I'm going to slide through this menu right here. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, this is P2P right here. I'm going to be adding P2P right now on my main dashboard. Okay, I'm going to long press, then I just simply add it. Okay, so as you can see, I've actually added P2P. I'm going to click on done. Okay, so if I actually go back right now, okay, you would see that P2P has been added to my main dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to hit on P2P right now, guys. It's going to load up. Let's give this some time, guys. All right, so guys, do you want me to take you by the hand and show you exactly how you can master the P2P system? Okay, so you can stop the guessing and start working the blueprint. All right, so guys, these are the core benefits of the course. You get a lifetime course access, you pay once and profit forever. You get a private merchant community where you get daily market updates and trade signals. Okay, 0% hidden fees, no monthly subscriptions or renewals, bank hygiene system. You get step-by-step risk mitigation to avoid flags. Okay, so guys, secure your blueprint now. The direct payment link is pinned in the comment section and inside the video's description. Okay, so guys, see you there. Here we are. So before we actually start with the calculation, guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can become a merchant right here. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down below here that says profile. All right, so over here that says merchant program, I'm going to hit on merchant program, guys. Okay, so it's going to load up. Let's give this some time. All right, guys, here we are. So I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, guys, it says that I'm currently on the starter section. Okay, so these are the benefits of the starter. It says starter represents regular users who can post ads without a deposit after meeting the basic requirement. Okay, so the basic requirements are your registration, your KYC verification. Those are the basic requirements before you can actually become a starter merchant right here on Bitget. All right, so as you can see right here, these are some of the features. It says no security deposit required, so you actually don't need to deposit any amount of money in order to become a starter trader. Okay, there's no security deposit. So secondly, it says post, buy and sell ads. So you actually have the opportunity and the ability to post buy and sell ads right here as a starter merchant. Okay, and thirdly, it says single order up to 3,000 USDT. Okay, so you actually have a limit of 3,000 USDT as a starter trader, and I believe this is actually cool. Okay, so 3,000 USDT is actually approximately about 4 million naira right here in Nigeria. I don't know about your country. If you're in Ghana, I don't know how much 3,000 USDT currently is in your currency. So this is basically the requirement you can actually have as a starter trader right here on Bitget. Okay, So you also have the advanced trader, and these are the requirements. It says advanced merchants are experienced and reliable traders with a proven track record. Okay, so down below here are the opportunities you have as an advanced trader, guys. Okay, as you can see, it says post, buy, and sell ads, just like the starter traders right here, as you can see. Okay, and again, it says single order up to 100,000 USDT. So this actually means that you have a limit of 100,000 USDT, for trading. All right. And over here says ongoing orders up to 100 orders. So you actually have the ability, to have up to 100 orders as an advanced trader. So this is actually amazing. All right. And down below here says higher ad ranking. So this actually means that you're going to be, ranking your ads as an advanced trader right here on Bitget. Okay. But this doesn't mean that your ads are not visible right here on Bitget as a starter trader. Okay. It only means that as an advanced trader, they actually rank your ads much more than the starter traders, but the starter traders still get trades each and every single day. Okay, so that is what they actually mean right here, guys. All right, so the next one right here are the master traders. As you can see, it says master merchants are top tier traders known for exceptional reliability and high quality trading experiences. All right, so down below are the benefits you have as a master trader. So as you can see, it says post, buy, and sell ads, single order up to 150,000 USDT, ongoing orders up to 200 orders. Okay, higher ad ranking, dedicated customer support, and they can also request additional information from the counterparty. Okay, so this actually means that they can request informations from their customers. Probably, let's see, there's a dispute within their trades, they have the ability to request additional information. So this is actually amazing, guys. All right, so down below here says benefit overview. Just as we saw previously, these are the features as a starter trader. All right, it says buy ad limit per ad is 500 USDT. Max active orders is 5. Max active orders per ad is 3. Okay, sell ad limit is 3,000 USDT. So this is actually cool, guys. Okay, so you also have the advanced benefit overview right here, as you can see. Okay, just as we read a while ago. So how can you apply? As you can see right here, I'm currently a starter trader. As you can see, it says current tier is the starter trader. Okay, so you can actually apply to become an advanced trader by hitting on the apply button right here. Okay, so these are the requirements you need to have before you can become an advanced trader. Okay, so firstly right here says complete identity verification. Secondly says bind your email. Thirdly, bind your phone number. Okay, right here says provide a photo of yourself holding your ID. Over here says local payment method statements. Okay, security deposit required up to 200 USDT. As you can see, it says deposit 200 USDT into your spot account as a security deposit. So this actually means that you need 200 USDT for a deposit in order to actually become an advanced trader. And mind you, they are not taking your 200 USDT away from you. It's just a security deposit. Anytime you actually need your 200 USDT, it can be given back to you. Okay, so right here says link your social media accounts. Right here says order completed is 10. So you actually need to complete at least 10 orders before you can become an advanced trader. Okay, and down below says up to 5 completed trades per day with the same counterparty will be counted. Okay, so this actually means that you can trade with the same customer up to 5 times and it will be counted among your order completed, as you can see right here, guys. All right, so that is what they mean. So down below here says completion rate no less than 90%. So this actually means that you should actually have a 90% completion rate before you can become an advanced trader. All right, so lastly right here says must trade with at least 5 unique users in the past 30 days. Okay, so these are the requirements you need to have before you can become an advanced trader. So when you actually have all these requirements right here, you can simply click on this page right here that says I have read and agree to the merchant service agreement. Just simply click on it, and boom, guys, you simply hit on the submit application button down below here, and your application will be reviewed by the Bitget team. Okay, so that is basically how you can apply. Okay, so this same application system also applies if you actually want to be a master trader, guys. Okay, you can just simply hit on the apply now button as well, and these are the requirements to become a master trader. As you can see, you need a security deposit of 2,000 USDT, as you can see right here. Okay, so these are the requirements. It says order completed is 50. Okay, as you can see, completion rate not less than 95%. Must trade with at least 5 unique users in the past 30 days, as you can see right here. Okay, so these are the basic requirements for each and every position right here as a merchant. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's go back to the P2P section right now so we see exactly how the money is made. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Okay, I'm going to hit on P2P right here. All right, so I'm going to refresh, guys. Okay, over here that says limit, I'm going to hit on limit. I'm going to type in 5,000 naira. Okay, I'm going to hit on confirm. All right, so that is it. Over here that says method, I'm going to hit on method and just simply scroll down and hit on bank transfer. I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, here we are, guys. So as you can see over here, Actually scroll down, people are actually selling USDT for the sum of 1,388.95 naira, as you can see over here. Okay, so let's see approximately 1,389 naira per one USDT to NGN. All right, so if I actually hit on sell right now, as you can see, people are currently buying USDT. Merchants are buying USDT from persons who wants to come sell for the sum of 1,381.5. So I'm buying for 1,381.51, as you can see right here. Okay, so if you actually calculate the spread, between the buy and the sell, that's going to give you about 7.45 naira spread between the buy and the sell side. Okay, and mind you guys, 7.45 naira is not as little as you see. We're going to be going deep into 7.45 naira spread, and you guys will know exactly what I mean. Okay, so guys, the thing is this: the spread varies each and every single day. So all you just simply need to do as a merchant is come over, to the P2P platform and just, observe the spread, so you know exactly when to go in. That is basically how you can actually, snipe the P2P market to make the most money for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my calculator right now, guys. So we'll calculate the difference in price between the buy and the sell side, so we'll know the exact profit we'll be making from today's spread. Okay, so guys, if you're actually finding value from this video so far, please don't hesitate to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. If you are just joining us right here on this channel for the very first time, don't hesitate to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you are watching right now is being uploaded right here on this channel. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's get down to my calculator right now. All right, guys, so here we are on my calculator right now. So I'm going to be using 200,000 naira as our capital for this tutorial. Okay, so guys, I'm going to type in 200,000, okay, divided by our buying price, all right, which is 1,381.5. So that gives us the sum of 144.77 USDT, guys. All right. So that is the amount we're going to be buying, 200,000 naira worth of USDT from, customers who are going to come sell to us. Okay. So make sure you take note of this price, guys. All right. So when we are done buying, guys, we now need to sell our USDT. Okay. So we now need to multiply this amount of USDT we just bought from, customers who came to sell to us by the selling price, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on multiplication sign right here. Then I'm going to type in 1,388.95. Okay, so as you can see over here, this gives us a sum of 201,078 naira. Okay, so 1,078 naira is actually going to be our profit. Okay, and mind you guys, Bitget does not currently collect any fee at all from the makers. Okay, so either on the buy side or on the sell side, Bitget does not collect any trading fee. It's totally free. Okay, so 1,078 naira is your complete profit, and this is just one cycle. All right, and remember, guys, one cycle consists of two trades, which is the buy and the sell. Okay, so you buying and selling means you have actually completed one cycle, which is two trades. Okay, so I'm going to subtract our initial capital of 200,000 naira from, our profit right here, so we know exactly how much we made. All right, so I'm going to equal this and just simply minus 200,000. Okay, 200,000. We're going to equal this. So this is actually our profit from one cycle, guys. Okay, so let's assume we actually go 5 cycles, which is 10 trades. Okay, I'm going to multiply this by 5. So that gives us the sum of 5,392 naira on 5 cycles, which is 10 trades. Okay, so let's actually do 10 cycles, which is 20 trades. Okay, so I'm going to erase this right now. Just type in 1,078.54 times 10. So that gives us 10,785 naira on 10 cycles, which is 20 trade, guys. Okay, so I believe this is actually enough for a day using a 200,000 naira capital. Okay, so let's say you actually get this every day, but the spread varies. Sometimes it can be higher than this, sometimes it can be lower, and it also depends on your capital. Let's say you're actually using a 500,000 naira capital, your profit will be much more than these, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. The more your capital, the more your profits. Okay, if you're actually using a 3 million naira capital, you get higher and higher profits. So that is basically how, the P2P system works, guys. All right, so let's assume you get this amount of profit every single day using the 200,000 naira capital. Okay, so let's times this right now by 7 days. So this gives us 75,497 naira. Okay, multiplied by 4, which is 1 month. So that gives us 301,991.2 naira. So this is actually a good profit each and every single month using just 200,000 naira as your capital, guys. Okay, So that is basically how the P2P system works. Okay, so guys, if you actually want me to hold you by the hand and show you exactly how you can actually navigate this system and actually make the most amount of money for yourself each and every single day as a P2P merchant, you can actually join my course, guys. The link to the course is going to be on this video description, and also it's going to be on the pinned comment down below the comment section. Okay, so guys, this is all for this video today. So if you actually found value in this video, don't hesitate to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, don't hesitate to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on this channel, you'll always be the first to get notified. And then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. See you on the next video. Peace out.